Welcome to Easy Learning. Dictation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Though the matter was promptly reported, but this quote is to see as to whether the incident occurred in the mode, manner, and at the stated time. Full stop. True that complainant is the real father and substitution is a rare phenomenon, but equally true that the parties are involved in previous blood feud. Full stop. The deadliest blood feud between the parties put on guard this court, first to assess the veracity of this witness, then to decide fate of the appellants in light of the collected material and the produced evidence, so that miscarriage of justice could be avoided. Full stop. We cannot ignore that it was the statement of solitary eyewitness which found favor with the trial court, and in the like situation, the courts of law must proceed with great care and caution, to avoid an unholy haste, which leads to catastrophe and perpetuating injustice. Full stop. The injured soon after receiving firearm injury was rushed to civil hospital, where the events were narrated to one assistant sub-inspector, which led to the FIR, where after preparation of the injury sheet, the injured was produced before the doctor for his medical examination. Full stop. The complainant was examined, who stated that at the time of incident, he along with his deceased son was present in front of his house, when all at once the accused appeared duly armed, starting firing at them, where he escaped unhurt, but his son got injured. Full stop. We cannot ignore that the parties are locked in serious enmities, and in that eventuality, it was the complainant who should be the prime target and not the son. Full stop.